So then guys, this is Enfield Precision silencers, slip-on silencers. I'll give you a sound check. This is with the baffles in, and then I'll take baffles out and let you have a listen then. So next clip I'll whip baffles out and you can see what that sounds like. There we go, you see I've just took baffles out. So we'll give some another crack. I haven't heard it with baffles out, to be fair, so here we go, it might be pleasant for me as well. Let's go! Tell straight away it's a lot bigger. Sounds better, doesn't it? Quite impressed. I didn't think it'd be that much difference, but on tick-over, no change. No change what I can hear anyway. Maybe when I play it back, might have a different opinion, but I'm quite happy with them. Now, I said to myself that I wasn't going to take baffles out because they advise you not to with Euro 5s. Something to do with because they run that lean and things like that, but I'm sure one little ride ain't going to hurt anything. Say that.